Blessed morning to everyone and welcome back muli sa ating live. This is our second game para sa gabi sa umagang ito. Ayan, isa namang panapanabik na laban ng ating masasaksiyan sa ating Aspirant 2010 Division between the NDGM versus the LaSalle Green Hills. Ayan, good morning po. If I'm not mistaken, this is the first game ng NDGM this season. Good luck. Oh, team. First ball para sa LaSalle Green Hills. Uy. And out of bounds. Steal. And a put back on the first basket para kay Samuel Somchi. Oh, still almost out of bounds. It's a blocking foul. Block from behind, out of bounds. Last start. Oh, steal. Out and pass. Guarzon. First basket mula kay Guerzon this game. Outlet pass, number 95. No. Uy! Almost steal. Cross-court pass from the corner, number 7 for 3. No. Rebound by Dylan. Number 84. What a nice pass. Oh, steal. Almost. I get the steal. Number 72. Oh. Block. Pass to Dylan. Sam. Paras to Guarzon. From the corner. Somchi. No. And jersey number 24. Or 84. With the putback. Kick out. Crossword pass. Steal by Sam. Ayan na. Somchi. Mira si. Kala ko idadakdak na ni Sam. Timeout. NDGM. Official score is 10-0. The time remaining time 5 minutes and 58 seconds. Back to the ball game. Oh, still number 2 to Ibanez. First basket din dito ni Ibanez sa laro. Number 7. That's a trap. Gets a foul. Oh, still Ibanez. Pass to Vivar. Vivar to Ibanez. Ibanez. Kick out. Floater. He missed it. Rebound ng NTGM. Pass to number 7. Ayun na, double team. Good. Number 23. First basket para sa NDGM. Nagmula yan kay number 23. Ooh. Vivar. What a pass. Basket is good for the big man. That's simple. Ayun now, NDGM. Cross-court pass, number 7 for 3. He missed it. Rebound by Vivar. Vivar, nagmamadali. Here comes Vivar. Natapikan. Steal lang, NDGM. Number 15, outlet pass. 2 against 1. Number 95, pass blocked by Ibanez. Out of bounds, substitution. Hindi ko pala napindot. Sorry, 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Bola ng mga na-white shirt. Number 3, stop and pump. No. Rebound. Vivar. Ayun na, nagmamadali. Here comes Bote. Fake. Bote. And there's the foul. Shooting the line. Jersey number 24, Bote. Second shot is good for Bote. 15 and 2. Number 1 steal. Ayan na, number 2. Akin na to. Out of bounds. Ibanez attacking the basket and score. 19-2. Oh, steal by Vivar. Vivar crossover. Gets a foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 4. Vivar. Another steal, but this time si Obligar naman. Excuse me po. Running shot, he missed it. Ayan na ang Lasal, Cacho, Obligar. Bounce pass to Ibanez. Simple. Sorry, that's Cardinal. Ayan na. Vivar, stop and bump. No. Rebound ng number 12. Last 34 seconds. Nabitawan, steal by Vivar. Outlet pass to Ibanez. 2 against 1. Here comes Obligar. (23-2) and there's a foul. Remaining time, last 16 seconds. Number 2, wala. Rebound. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. Official score is 23-2. Favor of Lasal Green Hills. Ay, sa mga kasyunan lamang po, magandang umaga po sa bawat isa. Back to the ball game, going to the second quarter. 23-2. almost steal. Number 2, stop and pump, block by Somchi. Naabot, ang laki ni Somchi. Somchi. Pass to Fajardo. Cross-court pass. No. Ayun na ang NDGM number 3 setting on the play. Number 1 and there's a foul. Oh, still, almost. It's Samuel. Out of bounds, LaSalle Green Hills Basketball. Number 0, naipit. At may foul. Number 0, pass to Paras, kick out. Cruz, 4-3. Oh, sorry, that's Cacho. No good. Rebound by Cardinal. Pass to Cacho. Cacho, no. Rebound by number 12. Naitawid. Steal by Cruz. Pass to Dylan. Here comes Sam. Paras. Whoa, what a lazy layup. For Sam Dylan. Paras. Ayan na. Number 2. Munti ka na magawan. Number 2. Pass number 7 from the corner. 3. Yes. Para sa 3. Jersey number 3. 25-5. Biggest lead of the game. 4-3. No. Rebound. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Sam, handoff. Heroles. Steal by number 1. 2 against 2. 3 against 3. Waiting for his teammate. Gets the 3. No. Rebound, number 12. Number 12 na ipit. Pinas sa corner, 4-3, wala, rebound by Heroles. Ayan na, number 85, Fajardo, pass to Paras. Fajardo, Paras 4-3, no. Out of bounds. Sorry, that's Regalario. Bounce pass. Simple. Take a shot and one. Basket count and one for Simple. Walang tawag. Good ba? Oh, good. Running shot, no. Number 17, no. Rebound by Simple. Ayan na naman ang Lasal. Here comes Sam. Paras, bumali sa ere. Wala, rebound. Ayan na ang mga naka-white shirt. Number 15. Uy. Gets a foul. Kita yun ang ating referee. Substitution. Ibanez coming in for Paras. Number 23. Number 23, 4-3, wala. Rebound by Ibanez. Ibanez, atake. Kick out, Regalario, 4-3, no. Rebound ng NDGM. Outlet pass, number 23, fake. Using the glass, no. Rebound by Simple. Simple, nagmamadali. Ay na si Simple. Pass to Regalario. To Fajardo. Fajardo to Cruz. Pass to Ibanez at the middle. Oh. And a basket for Ibanez. Number 17. Oh, steal. Oh. What a smart move by Regalario. Naipatama ang bola sa kanyang kalaban. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Still lang NBGM. Number 7. What an extra pass. He missed it. Rebound by Ibanez. Ibanez nagmamadali. Ibanez. Basket is count. Plus a foul for Ibanez. Gets a free throw for a 3-point play. Time remaining 1 minute and 49 seconds. Ibanez, he missed it. Rebound. Here comes Simple. What an extra pass to Regalario. He missed it. Simple with the slam. Pero may foul. Hindi nga lang. Na-convert. Ayan, shoutout po kay Ma'am Rachel Evangelista is watching right now. Magandang umaga po, Sir Ma'am Rachel Evangelista. Sa mga kasunin lang po, please don't forget to like and share our live block. Pero may foul ang itinawag kay Simple. Time remaining 1 minute and 12 seconds. 2 shots for number 15. No good. Basket is good. 31-6. Handoff. Eroles to Regalario. 4-3. No. Rebound. Oh, steal. Ayun na. Number 74. Miss it. Pass to number 17 to number 23. 4-3. Short. Rebound by number 7. Number 7. Hand off. Gets the 3. Short. Rebound by Simple. Here comes Simple. Nagmamadali. Simple. And that's a traveling violation. Substitution. Coronel coming in for Simple. Remaining time, last 25 seconds. Stop and pump. Basket. Last 14 seconds. Eroles. Pass to Coronel. Regalario for 3. 3-point para kay Regalario. And that's the end of our first half. Official score is 34-8. At magbabalik po tayo para sa second half. Magkakapo muna tayo for the meantime. At please don't forget to like and share our Facebook Live. Maraming pong salamat.